What's going on, everybody? Just finished the Mustang paint job, Grabber Blue. Check it out. Let me turn the light on. Flawless, no runs, clean. Just the way I do them. If anybody needs a free estimate on bodywork and paint, stop on by. We're at 1921 CR 129 Pearland, Texas 77581. It's the finished product. On this one, we did new quarter panels, new floor pans, new fenders, gapped out the new fenders to the hood, blended these bezels here to the fenders. A lot of work went into this car. 1967 Mustang. Grabber Blue is the color. It's Thursday night. Friday tomorrow. The week